Hello class 7th. Again welcome to computer class. Uh, Today I have a complaint against you people. Last time I told you to comment about the assignment work. Only two people. There were so many views, but only two people have given me the assurance that they have completed the work. What about others? Now with this video, whosoever is watching this video, please do comment me how many of you have done your work. If not, then also you can tell me, right? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And in this video at the end, I will be discussing about that first assignment question, and in the description link I have again given you an assignment question PDF format. You can solve that also. You should solve that also, right? Only you have to solve the assignment questions, and this presentation you have to go through and learn. One topic is left in this chapter that we will discuss today. The topic is sparkline. Let's begin. See, sparkline is what? From the word means it is clear that something related to lines, right? And before I begin, I just tell you that this sparkline feature is not available in Excel 2007. What advanced version has come after 2007? This sparkline feature is available. You can see here diagram. Here the sparkline is there. Can you see this? Sparkline is there. Clear? So, what is that? How to define it? This is a special feature available in Excel to show the trends of each row, right? And this creates the miniature chart inside the data sheet. Now listen, dear students, you can see one data is there. See this first data is there, okay? And here a chart will appear, right? That chart in this block a chart will get appear. So that chart is called sparkline. Now I'll show a proper presentation, proper diagram. Look here. There is a world record of 2000. Suppose it's a population record of 2006 of different country A, B, C, D. So for a particular row, look, suppose here for North America, a sparkline is like this, okay? So it will show the trend of a particular row. The graph is showing the trend of the entire row, and sparkline will show the trend of the particular row. Here also sparkline is available, right? You can see I have written a note over here कि in Excel 2007 version you cannot apply. If in your system at your home you are having Excel and you are practicing, as I have told you, you can practice at your systems also. In that you will not be able to apply it directly, sparkline. If you are having 2010 version, sparkline you can see it will be option will be available to you. Fine. Now let's discuss the assignment question of first. This assignment, if you have not got it, you can go to the part 2 of the video and you will find in the description link about this assignment, right? So my first question was, which axis is known as category axis? In an Excel sheet, in an Excel graph, which axis is known as category axis? X axis. And which axis is known as value axis? Y axis. Pictorial representation of data is called charts. The chart used to display one series of data. Only one series of data is displayed using this chart. That is called pie chart. In pie chart you will be able to display only one series. One is category axis, one is value axis. That's it. If there are 2-3 value axis, you will not be able to use pie chart in that case. It covers the largest area of the chart in Excel. Chart area, of course. The largest area of the chart is chart area. Actual area of the chart is called plot area. Where you are plotting the data is called plot area. Now answer to the hot question. In my previous video I have given one hot question to you. What was that? how to create chart quickly in Excel. You can use F11 key to create the chart quickly. I hope it's clear. Thank you and have a nice day.